Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss the international trade and comparative advantage, which is the content is why trade and international versus international trade. So before we tackle that content, let's now discuss first or alamin natin kung ano yung definition ng trade. So, trade is refers to the voluntary exchange of goods or services between economic actors. So, alam naman natin na familiar na sa atin to since we are in high school kasi natatalakay na to sa atin. So, in a simple means, so ang trade daw is ang pag-exchange ng good or services from different countries or nations. So, in Tagalog is pag-aangkat ng mga produkto mula sa ibang bansa. So, since transactions are consensual, trade daw is generally considered to benefit both parties. So, malaki daw ang nagiging role ng trade sa mga bansa. Especially is yung, syempre yung mga nag-export since sila yung mas kumikita and nag-growth yung business through their product na ina-exports from different countries. So, dito daw is dahil sa trade daw is hindi lang naman daw isang countries or yung nag-exports lang yung nabe-beneficial, but also daw is yung both parties or yung ina-exportan at ini-importan. So, in finance, trading refers to purchasing and selling securities or the other assets. So, in international trade, the comparative advantage truly states that trade benefits all parties. Yun, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, is hindi lang yung nag-export yung nabe-benefit, but also yung na-exportan na countries. So, pareho silang nakikinabang. Kasi since naman is, kasi kung ang isang bansa ay wala yung product na yun, since wala sila is, yung ibang nation or countries ang mag-produce or exports ng product na yun para ma-provide yung pangangailangan ng isang bansa. So, pareho silang nabe-beneficiaries. So, most classical economies advocate for free trade, but some development economies believe protectionism has advantage. So, yun. So, yun yung definitions ng trade. So, dumako naman tayo sa first content ng topic ko na kung saan is why trade. So, bakit nga ba may trade or ano nga ba yung kahalagan ng trade? So, trade is important means by which money moves and circulates because trade has multiple sources of profit unlike industry and agriculture. So, dito daw sa trade is importante ito kasi through trade is mas mabilis daw yung flow ng pera or yung paglaki ng pera, lalo na yung mga may business na nag-exports ng mga products from different nations. Yun. So, the other one is trade is the complementary process to industry and agriculture. So, none of them take place without existence of trade, and profits are not gained except through trading in products. So, yun na nga. So, the other one is trade is very important for four-wheeling economic growth, creating job opportunities, breaking down domestic monopolies, raising living standards, and helping people provide affordable goods and services to their families. So, malaki. So, malaki talaga ang kahalagahan ng trade. Kasi kung walang trade, is maaaring may kakulangan sa isang bansa na hindi mapoprovide kailanman. So, mahalaga yung trade para hindi lang para magkaroon ng economic growth isang bansa, but also is nagkakaroon din daw ng or nabibigay din ng opportunities na magkaroon ng trabaho sa isang bansa na nag-export, since kunyari sa agriculture, since kunyari sa bigas, nag-export ng bigas from different nation na wala yun. So, ang tendency, dahil gaya dito sa atin, so, ang ating pangunahing product na pwedeng i-export is yung in terms of agriculture, which is yung rice. So yun, dahil doon is nagkakaroon or mas nabibigyan ng opportunity yung mga taong magsasaka na mabigyan ng trabaho since yun ang in-export from different nations. So, yun. So, proceed naman tayo sa kung bakit mahalaga pa yung trade. So, trade strengthens relations between nations. So, bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng kahalagahan yung trade sa pagkakaroon ng magandang relations between nations? So, sinasabi dito na trade strengthens relations between nations by achieving peace, stability, and beneficial exchange between people. So, ang trade daw is a way para magkaroon ng good relation yung isang bansa. Kasi dahil through exporting other products from different nation is nagkakaroon din ng parang friendship na kung saan is nagkakaroon ng good companion sa iba't ibang bansa na kung saan is yung nai-exportan at ini-importan. So, at also daw is ang trade daw is nagiging way para magkaroon ng peace, stability, and also ma-beneficial yung mga tao from people na nai-exportan, and also yung nation na ini-importan. So, the production is intent for final consumptions. So, trade enables producers and consumers to be linked through retailers and wholesalers as well as through trade aids. So, yun. So, the other one is consumer obtain information about various commodities through advertisement and salesmanship. So, the other one is manufacturers are regularly informed about the likes and dislikes of consumers through marketing research. Thus, trade creates a connections between producer and consumer. So, ang trade daw is hindi lang yung ikaw mag-i-import or mag-exchange ng goods from different nations. So, one of the role ng kung ikaw ay magiging trader is alamin kung ano yung mga product na kinakailangan ng isang bansa para ma-provide mo yung pangangailangan nila. The other one is trade tries to satisfy the increasing desires of the people. So, bakit nga ba naging way to para masatisfy yung pangangailangan or desires ng tao? So, dito sinasabi na, in general, people requirements or desires never end. They can be categorized as primary needs and secondary needs. So, alam naman natin na tayong mga tao is hindi tayo nawawala ng pangangailangan. So dahil doon is naging opportunity yung pangangailangan natin para magkaroon ng trade, trade or yung pag-exchange ng goods. So sinasabi dito na meron daw tayong primary needs and secondary needs. So, the other one is trade makes the distribution and transportations of goods possible from one part of the world to another. So, ang trade daw is yung pagdi-distribute nga at pag-transport ng goods na kung saan is yung ini-importan, in-exportan na yun is nabe-benefit na kung saan syempre napoprovide yung pangangailangan ng bansang yon. So yun. So today daw, we can buy anything produced anywhere in the world. Thus, in turn, has enabled man to satisfy his myriad requirements and thus enhance social welfare. So, dahil sa trade is, or halos lahat ng bansa is na titradean or na-exportan. So, especially tayo, kasi sa atin, alam naman natin na parang ang dami nating kakulang products na kailangan pang mag-import sa atin. So, yun. So, tapos na yung aking pagtalakay sa unang content ko kung bakit may trade or yung importance ng trade. So, dumako naman tayo sa pangalawang content ko, which is international versus international trade. So, alamin natin or alamin natin yung differences ng international versus international trade. So, unahin natin is yung international trade. So, ano nga ba yung international trade? So, it is international trade is the exchange of goods, services, and capital between different countries. So, madaling salita is ang international trade daw is exchange ng goods and services na kung saan is from different countries and regions. So, sinasabi dito na it occurs because of differences in resources, technology, and other factors that give some countries a comparative advantage over others in producing certain goods or services. So, nagkakaroon daw ng international trade kasi sa pagkakaiba ng resources or technology, or sa madaling salita is yung pangangailangan ng isang bansa na na kailangan ng product na yun. And also daw is dahil dito is nagkakaroon ng comparative advantage yung isang bansa na mas advance o mas meron yung product na yun para magkaroon ng trade ng kanilang goods and services. So, international trade can bring benefits such as increased consumption, lower prices, and greater variety for consumers, as well as more opportunities, income, and innovations. So, ang international trade daw is nabe-benefits yung pag-increase ng consumptions at pagbaba ng mga price ng isang produkto kung mag-trade sa isang bansa. And as well as, dahil daw sa international trade is nagkakaroon daw ng opportunity para sa lahat, especially yung mga taong nagtatrabaho para mag-export rather ng isang produkto mula sa ibang bansa. At also, ang trade daw is nabe-beneficial or mas nagiging kabuluhan kasi dahil sa trade is nagkakaroon ng mas mataas na income yung isang bansa na nag-i-exports, and also is dahil natututo rin sila mag-innovate yung produkto nila. So, dumako naman tayo sa international trade. So, ano nga ba yung international trade? So, it is known as domestic trade, refers to exchange of goods and services within the boundaries of single country. This type of trade involves transactions that occur between buyers and sellers within the nationals or same jurisdiction. So, international trade daw ay pag-exchange din ng goods and services, pero is may boundaries lang, since it is boundaries lang sa kanilang nations. So, nag-aangkat lang sila ng kanilang produkto sa sarili nilang nation. So, hindi sila pwedeng mag-exports from different different nation. So, yun yung international trade. So, madali lang naman nating maintindihan yung pagkakaiba yung dalawa. Kapag sinabi nating international trade is yung pag-exchange ng goods and services from different nations. And kapag naman international is pag-exchange ng goods and services is within in their country lamang. So, hindi sila nag-i-import from different nations. So, yun. So, dumako naman tayo sa international and versus international trade pa rin. Pero alamin natin kung ano nga ba yung nagiging role nila sa nagiging role nila. So, yun. International trade is an essential component of the global economy. It enables countries to specialize in producing goods and services that they are most efficient at and imports goods and services that they are less efficient at producing. This leads to increase efficiency, productivity, and economic growth. So, ang international trade daw is nagiging component ng isang economy rather. It enables nagiging way to para ang isang country is mag-produce ng goods and services na most efficient at mag-import ng goods na affordable and also pasok dun sa pangangailangan ng isang bansa na gusto nilang exportan or nangangailangan yung product na yun. So ang tendency is nagkakaroon ng increased efficiency, ng productivity and economic growth. So the other one is international trade or trade within a country is also important for economic growth. It allows business to access larger markets, which can lead to increased sales and profits. In addition, international trade can help reduce regions' disparities by promoting economic development in less developed regions. So, international trade daw is mahalaga para magkaroon ng economic growth. And also is para yung mga mayroong business is mas makilala yung products nila at mas lumago pa yung products nila since sila ay exports from different nation. So sa international daw naman is nakakatulong daw ang international trade kasi para ma-promote yung economic development and also less developed sa mga less developed regions din daw. So, both international and international trades are important for economic growth and development. They enable countries to specialize in producing goods and services that most efficient and provide consumers with a greater variety of goods and services and prices. They also create job opportunities and promote economic development, which is nag-reduce ng poverty levels. So, sinasabi dito na ang both international and international trades ay mahalaga para magkaroon ng economic growth ang isang bansa and also para magkaroon ng specialized ng kanilang produkto and services na kung saan is maprovide nila yung pangangailangan ng mga consumers sa isang bansa kahit dahil yun. And also parehas na nagbibigay ng opportunity para magkaroon ng trabaho yung isang bansa na nag-export from different nations or country. So, ang nagiging tendency rin ito kapag maraming natutulungan na trabaho ang mga tao sa isang bansa na nag-export sa mga product and services na wala sa ibang bansa is mas mag-decrease yung poverty, syempre. So, doon nagtatapos yung aking aking discussion or yung aking part ng topic sa topic namin about sa international trade and comparative advantage. Yun lang po. And thank you.